So we start off today's video with another long to short transformation. So the stylist is adding in some bangs. I love her makeup. Really framing the face out with this one. Oh, he did a mullet. Oh, so pretty and right on trend with all the styles that we are seeing this season. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. Next up, we have this stylist once again doing another long to short with this bob style. Beautiful bottleneck style bangs in the front. Gorgeous bob haircut. Such a chic and stylish hairstyle. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we move on to the next one. It features a salt and pepper hair color. And it looks like the stylist is going to be doing a beautiful angled bob for this one. Love how her natural color accents the cut. Beautiful. Her hair has so much bounce and body. Gorgeous. And I really do just adore her hair color. So pretty. So next up we have someone who has more like a bob. The stylist gets to cutting. Oh, we have like a mini bob here. Beautiful bangs to frame out the face. This one is definitely short and sweet. So moving on to the next transformation, she also has this gorgeous platinum silver hair. Looks like the stylist is consulting with her. She currently has a bob. And the stylist cut the hair to more of like a jaw length style bob to frame her face. Oh, I love how the color looks. Absolutely beautiful. So let us know in the comments below which hair transformation in today's video is your favorite. Here we have an asymmetrical pixie cut. This is a very popular hair trend that we are seeing this season. And the longer bangs in the front just frame the face beautifully. Gorgeous shape and overall texture within this cut. Beautifully done. So next up, we see someone with a shoulder length hair. She has like a slight tint of maroon. So you can see the color a little bit brighter, lighter here from this angle. Kind of reminds me of the cherry cola trend that we're seeing right now. It's a very popular TikTok hair color. And I do have a video showcasing that if you want to see this particular hue more in depth. But this is a really pretty bob haircut. She also has a lot of body and movement within this shape as well. And I think that it is accented flawlessly with that color. And then we do see another jaw length bob. This one features a middle part down the center. And what I really like about this look is the fashion forward runway feel that it just kind of presents. And I think that it looks amazing with her outfit. So then we move on to this ginger colored pixie. She also has the asymmetrical shape with this one. And this particular pixie definitely reminds me of like the 90s. And then we move into our last transformation for today. So she also got a beautiful volumized pixie. Look at the amount of height that this has. And the copper color just looks gorgeous. Definitely one of my favorite hair trends. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed all the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.